A group of learners from Malengo Senior School organized a holiday activity where they cleaned a local market, recorded the experiences, reflected on what they learned, and presented solutions to the community. Define the following terms. A community. A community is a group of people living in the same area who share common interests, needs, and goals. 2. Community service learning. It is teaching and learning approach where learners engage in service activities that address community needs while reflecting and learning from the experience. State 4 characteristics of a community: shared identity, shared purpose, and occupy a common geographical area and share values. So shared identity, purpose, geographical area, and values. C. Identify 6 principles of CSL demonstrated in the scenario above. There is collaboration, there is social and civic responsibility, community-centered, reciprocity, reflection, and academic integration. State 4 reasons why community service learning is important in the learning process. Why is it important? Unatusumbua ingia. Wacha kushika. It allows the learner to practice what he or she learned in class. It helps the learner to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills as they assess and navigate social issues. It enhances communication and teamwork as learners work together with the community members to solve a problem in the community. It addresses the community needs. C. State 4 benefits. State 4 benefits of CSL to the learner. It helps a learner to apply knowledge gained in the classroom to address real-world challenges. It deepens understanding and academic knowledge and issues in their communities. It fosters in the learner a sense of social responsibility. It enables learners to acquire skills and nurture values as they work with members to address challenges in their communities. 3. Enter, close the door. Learners observe the following issues in their community: poor waste disposal, youth unemployment, insecurity at night, limited access to clean water, access to internet. Categorize the above needs into 4 categories of community needs. We have the community issue and the category of needs. Community issue, poor waste disposal. Category is environmental need. Youth unemployment is an economic need. Insecurity at night, security need or social need. Limited access to clean water is a healthy need. I told you also it's an environmental need. Access to internet is technological need. Define community resources. Community resources are assets, materials, skills, and services available in the community that can support development of learning activities. You have to say they are available in the community. If you don't say so, I don't give you. Identify 3 local available resources that can support CSL activities. We have water resources, for example, wells and rivers. We have community halls or meeting places. We have local volunteers or skills artisans. C. Explain 4 ways learners can document community needs and resources. They can conduct surveys, questionnaires, take photographs, or write reports. Who is a stakeholder? A stakeholder is an individual, group, or organization who has an interest in the community project or is affected by it. Give 4 examples of stakeholders you can engage in your CSL project. We have learners, educators. Educators is just 1 mark. If you talk about teachers, the principals, just 1 mark. Community organizations, local businesses, government agencies, community leaders, non-government organizations, religious leaders, and financials. Define the term leadership as used in CSL. Refers to the ability to guide, inspire, and influence individuals and groups. Don't say it is a person who leads. You cannot explain the word using the same word. Lead and then you say the one who leads. You're so wrong. State 6 qualities of a good leader: integrity, responsibility, communication skills, and ability to motivate others.